Onions are a really good crop to grow in your vegetable garden because you can use them right the way through the winter, and there are so many dishes, of course, that onions are used in. I always allow mine to grow for as long as they want to in the garden, so it's usually September before I even think about lifting them, because while ever the tops are green and growing, they're feeding the bulb and increasing the size of the bulb. But once you get to late summer, the tops naturally flop over, and that signals that we now need to get those onions out and get them dried off. So all we do is literally pull them out of the ground. We can see the soil is stuck to them, so it's to scrape off the soil, so that will then allow air to the bulb and dry it out. And I like to then put them on some sort of a wire rack, because we need really good air circulation around them, because what is vital in order for these bulbs to store right the way over winter is that we make sure that the bulbs are ripe. So I need the sun to get to them so that these go a lovely golden colour and ripen thoroughly all the way through. So I'll lift all of these, put them on racks, leave them outside in the sunshine. If the weather's not very good, of course, what you can do is put them in a shed or a garage somewhere nice and dry and airy. And these are going to take several weeks to die down, and only once the green has all gone brown and crispy can we store them for winter use. So we'll look at that another time, and I'll show you how to put them into a plat. So worth getting the onions up now.